Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I make my banana bread. I'm going to be making two kinds of banana bread today. Banana bread with chocolate chips and banana bread with blueberries. I really love making banana bread because I can enjoy it for breakfast, as a snack, share with family. Mom and I always have oatmeal and banana bread for breakfast when she's around almost every day. When I want to make something baked for any of my friends or family, I use banana bread. I change the flavor sometimes with vanilla syrup, sometimes with caramel essence as too. So I love making this banana bread and I want to share it with my family here on YouTube. So enjoy this. This is a very simple baked snack that you can have in your fridge and eat anytime you are hungry, anytime you come from work or church and you are tired and can't cook at a moment. You can have this banana bread. So I'm going to list the ingredients and their measurements in the description and also on my Instagram page, Albright Loves Food. Today we're going to use banana, flour, sugar, melted butter, eggs, baking soda, salt, vanilla essence, or you can use caramel essence or any other great flavor that you like. I'm first going to put these bananas in my bowl and mash them with my potato masher. You can use a fork if you don't have the potato masher. But I want to say that the more bananas you have, the better, because it makes it sweeter. You don't need to increase the amount of sugar you put in your snack. And also, the darker the bananas are, the more sugar or sweetness that it brings to your snack. So you could let the bananas become riper, or you could add more bananas to your snack. I don't want to say mash well because it depends on how you want it. If you want chunks of banana in your banana bread, it's a snack for your family. You don't have to make it so perfect, Just enjoy the process and share with your family the great snack that you make. So you mash the bananas, then you add your sugar. At this point, when adding your flour, you can add your flour in bits to the mixture so you can mix it well. You don't have to overwork the flour, but you have to incorporate the flour into the mixture so it turns out well. If you don't mix it well, you're going to have lumps of uncooked flour in your end product. Trust me, I've done that before. And also, I added my baking soda and my salt to my flour and I mixed it together. So don't forget about that. At this point, I'm going to divide my flour into two and add blueberries to one batch and chocolate chips to the other. You can add any fruits that you want. I don't want to limit anyone. I haven't seen so much diversity in this one, but I've seen someone add peanuts to their banana bread, and I think it will really go well because in Ghana we usually like eating our banana or kwedu with nkatie, granuts or peanuts. Guys, this is my end product, my freshly baked banana bread. It doesn't only taste good, it smells good as well. And you can see the top. You can imagine how crispy it's gonna be and taste so nice. You can let this sit for a few minutes just to cool down and start digging in with your family. It's really important to grease your pan before you put in a mixture so you can easily take the banana bread out when it's ready. I made mine close to night, so I just cut mine into pieces, put it back into the aluminum foil pan and wrapped it with some cling film and put it in the fridge. When you want to eat this, you can heat it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for just 5 minutes, or wrap it with some paper towels and put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment in the comment section, and also go to my Instagram page, Albright Loves Food, and follow my page over there. I post amazing stuff on my Instagram page as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again here next week and on Instagram any day.